Hey, where'd you go? Kaya. Where'd you go? Kaya, say good morning. No? No? Kaya. Kaya, say good morning. Say good morning.
Good morning.
You want to tell everybody we're having breakfast?
We're having breakfast.
What are you eating?
A breakfast.
You having breakfast?
Cinnamon sugar.
Oh yeah, toast with cinnamon sugar. What else?
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
Eggies?
Eggies. And cinnamon.
and cinnamon.
Mhm.
Good morning, sunshine. Hey, I'm talking to you, beautiful girl. Good morning.
No, you're talking to me.
Okay, handsome man. You are very handsome. Love you. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Where'd you go? Hey. Where are you?
I'm under the table.
Oh my goodness. Hi. Ready? Players gonna play, 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 play. Ready, shake. Let me see your somersault. I think that is in it now. Woo! Dance, dance. It's definitely not enough. Kaya, what did you just do? What did you put on? You put your sock on all by yourself?
Yeah.
Yay! Should we get a sticker? Should we do a sticker?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I do.
Yay! Did you fill up your chart?
I wanted my chart all filled up again.
Yay! That means Kaya gets a prize. That means Kaya gets a prize. Yay!
Mommy.
Yeah, we'll give Timmy a sticker too. Give that one to Timmy. Give it to Timmy. Look at Kaya has one for you. All right, Timmy gets a sticker too.
Here's that one.
Good job. Yay! Wow. What letter did you do?
B.
D. D is for, what did you make?
Dinosaur.
Yeah. And you did that dinosaur all by yourself, huh?
And then we build mine.
And we spelled your name. How do you spell Timothy?
You get a big giraffe.
A big
Two.
giraffe.
Big giraffe too.
Can you tell me how we spell Timothy? T-I-M-O-T-H-Y. Good job, Mommy.
Good job, Mommy.
All right. Oof. Look up. There's a crazy blizzard going on outside right now, which is actually like not as bad right now as it's gonna get, but the kids say they want to go outside, so we're like spending a half hour to get ready because that's how long it takes. Joshua is in the swing sleeping. I don't think you can see him from here. So I'm gonna keep my eye on him, and we're gonna go try and shovel the driveway. I don't know how this is gonna work. So here's the current situation outside. It's not that bad. I think it's just the fact that it's steady and it's supposed to keep going until like tomorrow night. So we'll see how it goes, but I'm gonna try and shovel a little bit for Tim. You want a shovel? Gotta see if we can find it. All right, I just shoveled the driveway twice and it's already like pretty much covered again. So I think we're ready to go in. Timmy? Yeah. Hey, are you ready to go inside? Yeah. Kaya, don't take your stuff off until we're inside. Come on, baby girl, you're gonna get cold. Come on, let's go in. Yeah. Oh. Alright, so the kids have been napping for a little bit. Yeah. And it has seriously snowed a lot since they fell asleep. Like, look at this. Can you tell now, like all of that snow right there? It was probably down to like there this morning when I woke up. There was just a tiny, tiny bit. And now it is all the way up here on the picnic table. And it's just gonna keep coming and coming down. School was canceled today, and I think it was kind of a joke because like the roads were fine this morning. But then as the day went on and the roads kept getting worse and worse and worse, then I was like, okay, I guess it's okay that school is canceled today. Joshua's crying, but I have a feeling Timmy's not gonna have school tomorrow. Hi.
Kaya.
And Kaya, what do you think of all the snow?
Oh, no, no.
Is it snowing and snowing?
Yeah.
Yeah? Say snowing and snowing and snowing.
Hello?
It's snowing and snowing and snowing.
Hello?
Do you like the snow? She's not paying attention. When we were outside shoveling, Timmy said he wanted to come inside, so Kaya took that as a cue to start taking off all of her snow clothes, and she took off her hat and gloves and coat on the driveway. And I'm like, Kaya, wait until we get inside. And she's like, no, I'm getting undressed. Oh, he's like tired right now. Here, baby. Hey. Aww. Do you want to go night-night? You want to go night-night? And then he scratched his little face, so I cut his nails. Okay, let's go Rocky Rock. You go night-night. Alright, it's time to exercise. You ready? Mm-hmm. Alright, high five. Let's go. I gotta be quiet because Joshua's sleeping. But working out with these kids awake is kind of a joke. We were gonna film it. I mean, it's kind of cute because they want to do it, but they don't give me any space. So like, I can't do it when the kids are awake. And they're never asleep except for right now, and it's 8:45 at night. And I'm not working out right now. So it's been very difficult to get into any routine of exercise, but I'll figure something out. The snow just keeps coming down. You see Joshua sleeping over there, which is funny because I still have to feed him. Can you see out there? I can't believe how much you can actually see. It looks like it's the middle of the day, but it's pretty late and pretty dark out. But there's so much snow. There's a bunch of schools already closed tomorrow. Our district isn't closed yet, but my dad says like they're probably gonna close, because if they were closed today, then they gotta be closed tomorrow because it's worse now than it was this morning. So I don't think Timmy's gonna have school tomorrow, which totally sucks because it's like his only day of school during the week, and that's like his time out with other kids. So I don't know, I'm kind of hoping that school's not canceled tomorrow, but we'll see. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.